let us look at parameter passing method for call by value, pass by value. I will declare some variables. Now, as I have already shown you, I have used a swap function. So let us write a swap function here. Swap function which takes parameters a and b. Now here I write down the code for swapping two numbers, that is a and b. A temporary variable, then a temporary variable assign a, then a assign b, then b assign a temporary variable. Then after swapping, then from main function I will call this swap function by passing x and y. So when I write just x and y, the values of x and y will be copied in this a and b, and it will swap the numbers. So who will get swapped? The variables a and b values will get swapped. Actual parameters that are x and y, they will not get modified. So after this, I will display the values of x and y. So what values I should get? I will get the same values 10 and 20 because these values will not be swapped. So I'll do one thing, I will display here a and b also, so you can know what are the values of a and b. And before swapping also I will display their values. So first I will display the values and then swap them and again display the values, and let us run this and see. Yeah, first values are 10 and 20, that is in the beginning, here they are displayed. Then 20 and 10, so the values are changed. And finally it is displaying the values of x and y, they remain same, that is 10 and 20 only, they are not swapped. So in call by value mechanism, the values of the formal parameters, if they are modified, they will not reflect into actual parameters. Let us debug this program and see. So here I'll add a breakpoint and let us run the program. Now next line, when I move, the value of x and y are initialized, that is x is 10 and y is 20. X is 10 and y is 20. So you can see that they are having these values. Now let us move further. Now this has entered into swap function and the values of a and b are 10 and 20. Yes, move ahead. Now the values are printed 10 and 20. Now temp value, this is not yet completed, so it is garbage. If I continue, if I see the values of a, b and 10, a became 20 and b is still 10 only and temp was having 10. Now if values of a and b are displayed, so they are changed to 20 and 10, the values are swapped. So whose values are swapped? This local variable values are swapped. Actual x and y are not changed. These x and y, they will remain same. So now we are not inside this function, so I cannot see these values. Now we are back to the main function. So the values of x and y remain same, 10 and 20 only, they are not changed, even though in the swap function we have changed the values. So the values of a and b are swapped, not the actual parameters. So that's it. So this is how call by value. So when you know that we don't have to modify the values, just you want to send something to a function so that function returns back some result, then call by value mechanism is useful.